Okay, so here is our video for May 10th, and we're going to be looking at fair and unfair games. And this is one of our last lessons in the unit. And what we're looking at is exactly what makes these games fair or unfair. Hi, Jordan.
Hi, Mama!
Okay, so what we're going to look at is this dice here. And when I roll the dice, this dice has 6 sides. And on the 6-sided dice, they're numbered 1 through 6. So the question here is, player A gets a point if the dice lands on 6, 5, 4, 3, or 2. And player B gets a point if the dice lands on 1. So we're asking ourselves, is that a fair game or not? Well, when I roll it, there's a 3, and there's a 6, and there's a 6 again. So clearly this is not a fair game because player A has 5 out of 6 chances of earning a point, and player B only gets 1 out of 6 chances. Let's take a look at the spinner here. The spinner has 4 sections. There's a green, there's a blue, there's a red, there's an orange. And we want to know if it's a fair game. Well, player A gets a point if the spinner lands on red or green. Player B earns a point if the spinner lands on blue, and player C earns a point if it lands on black. Well, clearly this is not a fair game because there is no black colored section on this spinner. Okay, and also player A has more chances because it's 2 out of 4, and player B only has 1 chance because it's 1 out of 4. So that would be an unfair game to play. What I would do to make it fair is I could say player A will earn a point if it lands on blue, player B will earn a point if it lands on green, player C will earn a point if it lands on red, and they would all earn a point if it lands on orange. Okay, that would make it fair. We have one more activity here. So here's our standard Canadian coin. We have heads, and we have tails here. So the question here asks, player A will earn a point if it lands on heads, and player B will earn a point if it lands on tails. Well, clearly this is a fair game because there's 2 sides, there's 2 players, and they each have the same opportunity of earning a point. So take some time tonight and review this. This will be our activities tomorrow, and we'll be doing some games in the classroom as well as some activities in the textbook. So have a great night.